Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy vegetarian. First, gather your ingredients, including vegetable broth, a good fat like butter or olive oil, and all-purpose flour. You'll also want some aromatics such as onions or mushrooms to build a deep flavor profile. This guide will help you achieve a delicious, meat-free gravy that's perfect for any meal. To build a robust flavor, begin by sautéing finely diced onions, garlic, and mushrooms in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until softened and lightly browned. This step adds significant depth. Next, pour in about 2 cups of high-quality vegetable broth, ensuring it's low sodium so you can control the seasoning later. Add a bay leaf and a sprig of fresh thyme for extra aroma. Now let's thicken our gravy. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking it for about 1 minute until golden. Gradually whisk the hot broth mixture into the roux, ensuring no lumps form. Simmer for 5 minutes, then season with salt, black pepper, and a dash of soy sauce or tamari for umami. For an extra smooth gravy, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve before serving. This removes any vegetable pieces, leaving a velvety texture. Serve your delicious vegetarian gravy warm over mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or even a savory plant-based loaf. It's a versatile addition to many dishes. Remember to check the description below for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.